I'm racing today, and we're going to be testing this drone against this one to see which one I like more. And if I like this one more, I'm going to be taking this one apart and building another one of these. I'm excited for today. I hope that you are too. Stay positive. You know, it's tricky. Life can be hard. Everything's getting more and more expensive, especially here in Toronto, but we're still grateful because we have so much and there's so many people that have nothing. Feed someone. You know, if there's someone poor and see them on the street or something, give them some food. Give them something to keep them warm. If you can, it's not that much and we all can do that. And just try and stay positive. Today's gonna be a good day. Be my daily vlog today.
Wait, video or photo?
Video.
Video, okay, well, I'm Adam, this is Matt.
We're gonna get him into FPV.
I'm already into some RSC, so FPV seems pretty cool. And this guy's got a crazy setup. He's got a whole bunch of cool stuff. It's awesome.
Journeying all the way to the middle of nowhere, and I met this guy on the subway.
Going to the same spot.
Everything's changing. When I grew up in Richmond Hills. I'm at Finch Station, getting picked up to go to the drone meet. The mustache man. There's always a mustache man.
There is. There always is.
Okay, lap 1, 117.6. 30 seconds.
You come around to the green gate.
Okay.
Then you come around to the
outside.
Okay.
You come around the left of this pillar.
This side.
Yes. That.
Okay.
Green gate, right? Coming all the way around here. You follow these guys. Go around this pillar. I hate this part, but
Right?
keep going, keep going.
From here.
You go around that pillar. You drop into the toilet bowl. Come out through here.
Yeah.
I hate that. Then you go back around this pillar.
Yeah.
And you go through this gate.
Okay.
Right? Boom.
Yes.
You go in through here.
Then to the right.
Circle around.
And then you go around.
You exit.
Okay.
Right.
Okay, come on, let's go faster, faster. Then we go around here. We go to the green one. Okay, yes, okay. Then we go up to this one. Yep. Then we go into this one. Okay. Ooh. Yep. I got it.
Then red gate.
Okay, red gate. Okay.
This way. You coming from here? This way through the triangle.
Okay.
In there.
Boogity.
In there.
In there. Boogity. Sharp turn to this gate, the right one. Boom.
In on top.
Wait.
In.
In here?
In.
On top.
Around.
In. A
Little
corkscrew.
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 And then you start again.
And then you go
No.
in between
The blue.
square and blue.
Okay.
Around the blue, around the
Zigzag.
orange,
Okay.
Side.
and that's where we,
Right,
that's the
left.
circle.
And then
And we start again.
Again.
Muchas gracias.
De nada, claro que sí.
Next time we're gonna have another track back here.